There are many different types of singers, we know that. In this video, I'd like to introduce you to yet another system I made for vocalists. 4 elements: fire, water, earth, air. I know it may seem unhinged a little bit, but stay with me. Here's how it's gonna work. I'm gonna present you with 4 nature elements with their signature qualities and give examples of singers who in my opinion belong to each element. Needless to say, this is not any official system, it's just a creative interpretation for you to enjoy and have fun with. With that said, let's start with fire singers are brave, passionate, and ambitious. Their vocal delivery is very dynamic and quite unpredictable, bursting with untamed energy to it. Rasp, growls, and vocal grit remind me of fire crackling and sizzling nonchalantly just as it desires. Despite being known for their more powerful and intense moments, fire singers also have a more reserved, subdued side that's just as interesting and exciting to hear and adds to how dynamic these singers really are. Listening to them gives you a little sense of danger and uncertainty, like in what's gonna happen next type of way. Due to their strong nature, especially with less control, fire vocalists can also be a bit too overwhelming at times. So be careful and don't come too close. You might burn yourself. Although I will not blame you if you try anyway. Examples include but are not limited to Miley, Cyrus, Christina Aguilera, Jessie J, and Hwasa of Mamamoo.
Resist the sweet surrender and the love so deep we cannot measure. Nobody makes me feel this way. Nobody. Oh, no real mariah. No real mariah.
Water singers have voices that are full of life, clear, bright, quite warm in tone. Their delivery is mostly smooth, soothing, and elegant. However, these surprising, more rough moments have an unbelievable impact as well. Water singers are agile vocalists. Not only in terms of the runs they can execute, yes, some of them are masters in this field, but in how they flow so beautifully when singing, from a melody to melody, from a register to register. They're also natural emoters, being able to convey a variety of emotions, from joyful enthusiasm to heartbreak and sorrow. Bonus point, water singers are also usually wonderful duet partners. Examples include but are not limited to Mariah Carey, Leona, Tori Kelly, and Wendy of Red Velvet.
Come bring me your softness, comfort me through all this madness. I'm born again. With you, I'm born.
Earth singers have voices that are naturally sturdy, grounded with an effortless, gorgeous weight to them, able to hold up against heavy instrumentation. These vocalists are characterized by a deeply rooted, large volume output, often with strong vibrato that seems like it's beating inside your chest when you listen to it. Earth singers are self-aware vocalists. Knowing their strengths but also their weaknesses and limitations doesn't make them overly safe artists, but rather smart singers. Examples include but are not limited to Beyonce, Perrie, Adele, and Lady Gaga.
Let me do it one more time.
Earth singers have some of the most alluring voices. Light and delicate, their tones are perfumed, often hard to capture, bright but not very warm. Earth singers don't have a ton of natural power to their voices, however it doesn't mean they cannot achieve power through their technique, and when they do, they become some of the most memorable. Stylistically, you can expect breathiness and crisp vocal breaks. A prime example would be the incredible Lara Fabian, but also wheein of Mamamoo and Rose of Blackpink.
하늘에 닿으면 언젠가 그대 돌아오겠죠 내게로 그대여 난 기다릴 거예요. All my love is gone. Gone. All my love is gone, 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 gone. All my love is gone, gone. All my love is gone.
So I don't know if lightning is an element, but if it was, which singers would you pick to represent it? That's a little homework for you guys. And with that said, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this a little bit confusing unhinged video. I hope you've had a good time. Thank you guys once again. See you in my next one. For now, bye guys.